Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all 6 trigonometric functions of an angle theta in a right triangle. I've listed these 6 functions in green on the left. In this example, we're given the lengths of 2 sides. To begin, let's label our sides. I'm going to label the right side as A, the bottom side as B, and we'll call the hypotenuse C. The Pythagorean Theorem states, based on this, that the square of one side, which we'll call A squared, plus the square of the other side, which we'll call B squared, is equal to the square of the hypotenuse C squared. We can now plug in the values. So A is 8, so we have 8 squared plus B squared. We can't plug anything in for that because that's the value that we're going to find. But we can plug in for C. So C is 17 squared. So 8 squared is 64 plus B squared is equal, and you can throw this one in your calculator unless you know it. 17 squared is 289. We then isolate B squared on the left, so we'll subtract 64 from both sides of the equation. So we have 289 minus 64, and that gives us 225, which is a nice number because the square root of 225 is 15. Let's go ahead and add B to our diagram. So B is equal to 15. The next step is to find the 3 main trigonometric functions sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. Sine theta is defined to be the length of the opposite side, so we'll abbreviate that OPP, divided by the hypotenuse, which we'll abbreviate HYP. The length of the opposite side is 8, and the length of the hypotenuse is 17. So the value of sine theta is 8 over 17. Our cosine theta is defined to be the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Our adjacent side, that's the value we just found, so that's 15, and our hypotenuse is 17 still. And then our tangent function, tangent theta, is our opposite divided by our adjacent. Our opposite side is equal to 8, and our adjacent side is 15. Our last step is to find the 3 remaining trigonometric functions. So we can use reciprocal relationships to do this, and it'll be a little bit easier. So cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta. So we invert sine theta, and we get 17 over 8. Secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. So we'll invert cosine theta, and we get 17 over 15. And then lastly, we have cotangent theta is 1 over tangent theta. So we'll invert tangent theta, and we'll arrive at a value of 15 divided by 8.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.